overlay Deku from the final season. It was cool. So let's draw this. Kind of crazy drawing. So we'll do our best with the black whip and all that kind of stuff. There's lots of like cross strapping on the arms and everything. So let's start with his face, which is not too bad because there's no mouth or anything. They kind of just give him a V for the nose as well. Yeah, so maybe eyebrows first. So head is like over here. We'll try and get the whole thing in. So we'll go with this frown. Okay. Frown on the other side. Kind of like two just ticks, check marks, going in opposite directions. And there's like some wrinkles on his nose as well, just in here. Because he's like super aggressive. They do a little V down here. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, we got some big eyes then. And they do it kind of, yeah, so they do like a little different sort of thing for the spikes, but that's the top eye, right? Then we'll go down. Sometimes there's like spikes that come in onto his eye. I think in the manga there's a lot of them, but not so much in the anime. Yeah, so maybe I'll probably do some of them. So like his eye is like this, right? It's just like a bracket sort of a thing, and then I think it's just like a white circle. So just like a little sort of white circle. And then there might be like a couple of these sort of spikes that come in. Like they do it with a digital effect. In the anime, but I'll just do it like this. With the black pen. So then his top eyelid line on the other eye. I have too many tabs open. So we'll do this. So we'll go this way. And then back in. And then that other sort of odd shaped eye. It's kind of like a lot of like energy, so it doesn't have to be like a perfect eyeball, you know, makes it kind of easier for us to draw as well. And I'll add some spikes into there. And then everything's kind of just black then. So yeah, everything's kind of just crazy. So it's kind of all bumpy out here. It comes to a V just at his chin, right? So it's kind of like just black down here. And there's like some gaps in it every now and then. So like, there's like a gap around his nose. So it's kind of like a love heart sort of shape or something here. And then there's a gap here, I think. And then this comes up his forehead. And we hit like his hair. So his hair spikes and hairline is all here. Just a zigzag, general sort of zigzag thing. Coming around to his ear, which is just in here. And they just draw in simple, basic ear lines. Right, so then it's all that stuff those lines on his face, right? So I'll draw as much of this in as I can, and it's kind of colored greeny purple or something. It's like an odd color. It's like green and black, and just it's kind of like it's outlined with green, but it's like black in the middle or something. So there's like lots of blood and scratches and stuff on his face as well. Kind of comes over his ear too, and his face. There's like some scratches, like on his skin, in the gaps. From his fight with Shigaraki. Tomura. Okay. So the manga is like crazier. You've got all that black whip stuff. Right, so let's try just hair. Crazy, wild, spiky hair, right? Just out and around. So just spiking up. There's all spikes along the middle as well, but we'll just get the main parts in here. Yep. Okay, so kind of crazy hair. So then he has just his scarf sort of coming around. So like there's no neckline in there, but there should be. Did they color that wrong? Okay, so say from that like ear we can see his scarf, right? But that should be different. So I'm gonna put his neck in here. And then comes around, right? For his ripped and torn yellow scarf that is like just completely destroyed at this stage. How is it even still on him? And like there's just like a black shadow in like here. I imagine this is just like it's where it goes around his back. It's all just black in there. And then like lots of hatching and dirt and stuff on that. So the second is like this hand, this big hand. So his shoulder comes out here. And then his tricep. Then like his forearm goes this way. And there's all overlay on this. Let's say like that's his bicep, right? All scratches and stuff. And he's got like a claw, right? So comes this way. His index finger is real gnarly, sort of like a witch's claw, you know. Starting like that, like a talon of an eagle or something. Then it goes down. Then for the next. What looks like that anyway. And then the base of his hand is here. And then I think it come across for his thumb. And it's all very crazy, like it's jaggedy and lots of black whip and stuff on it. So we got to do like all that black whip stuff at the same time. Maybe we'll do what, like, he's got, we can see like his knee sort of here, right? It's all just black shadow. You can't even see it in the manga. It's got like a box here. And then this all like comes around. It's all ripped and torn for his leg. Like all of his clothing basically is drawn this way. It's like all tattered and that's just in black shadow. So his back, he's all hunched over. So we'll do his back now. Like some spine or like his loads of shadow here. So his waistband. And again, the waistband is like drawn pretty much like his scarf and all the other fabric. It's just this tattered, it's kind of layered. Right, and then like his pants is the same. So that's like his waistband, but then the pants is like another section. That's all just like this random jaggedy thing coming down here. It was like a piece of yellow or something. It's like a yellow color there of something. I think we just meet his knee then. It's just randomly drawn. It's not like anatomy or anything, so it's kind of easier, I guess, drawing things that way. Lots of dirt and scratches and all that kind of stuff on him. And then we can see like his knee roughly. Just here, very basic shapes. And like his ankle. And then he's got that claw-like boot. So it's like kind of square at the back. And then, so this has like roughly kind of claws here as well. Everything's kind of crazy looking and rough. There's a bit of red or something here. Right, so then he's got like all black whip coming out of his, like, you know, he's got like black whip sort of all like this kind of stuff and coming out of his back and everything. And then it's all overlaid. So let's try. So we'll just add the stuff that's like whipping out of him first. Like all these black sort of pipes kind of just here. Kind of goes over his back a bit. back in. So I'll just do it off this way. Kind of simpler. Instead of like cutting off all that, I'll add an extra piece maybe just up here. And it has like some holes in it, like some gaps along the way, sort of like some little pieces. Then there's like random electricity, like normal sort of green electricity. So then you gotta overlay it anywhere you see his skin. So like on his, say his fingers, right? So all coming around here. So you kind of just imagine like everything's kind of covered like with tape or something, you know, it's all just like wrapping around his arm. So like, just like this, you know, it'll go travel like around. So it'll be these like loops sort of a thing. It's like black in there and then around here. You just fill it in as best you can. You don't have to do it exactly like they do it in the show. You can do it your own way. So yeah, basically, maybe a couple more here. And it's on his back too, so like just underneath all this black whip stuff. It's like I'll draw it down onto his belly. There's just a big black shadow there, but I might as well just do it all the way down here. Okay, and then like obviously that's all like dark black. It's got like a digital effect inside it, but you could just go black and then green just around the edge, and that would do you pretty well with that, I would say. Overlay Deku. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.